3 ways to develop an entrepreneurial mindset. Some people think entrepreneurs have special powers because they dare to do things outside the norm, things that many people don't have the courage to do. But are they really special? Well, not really. They're just regular people like you and me, but they do have a different mindset. In today's presentation, I'm going to show you how you too can develop an entrepreneurial mindset. Number 1, think outside the box. Entrepreneurs are known for thinking outside the box. They see opportunities where others only see problems. They see the silver lining in even the direst of circumstances. They don't let obstacles and challenges hinder them. Instead, they look for a way to overcome them. When you're stuck in a box, you're basically looking at things the way you always have. To avoid this conundrum, you need to broaden your horizons. This will allow you to think of solutions to problems in a more creative manner. You're no longer limited to doing what's familiar to you. Instead, you're able to look at things from a different angle. And this is why entrepreneurs are different from everybody else. They find ways to solve their problems in creative and ingenious ways. Number 2, think positively. You can't be an entrepreneur if you always let your negativity get the best of you. Entrepreneurs are pretty much willing to face failures head on, especially if it means achieving their goals faster. They're not afraid of obstacles that lie in their path to success. They have their eyes set on their goals. While they may stumble and fall from time to time, their positive way of thinking will always get them back on track. Now, cultivating positivity isn't exactly easy. You need to learn how to control your thoughts and redirect your negative thoughts into positive ones. With time and practice, you'll be able to think positive thoughts without much prodding from your inner self. Number 3, think big. If you want to develop an entrepreneurial mindset, then you need to learn how to think big. Let's use Bill Gates and Steve Jobs as examples. Chances are you already know who they are. If not, well, they're 2 of the most successful entrepreneurs the world has ever known. Did you know they started their multi-billion-dollar empires in their garages? Who would have thought they'd be rich beyond their wildest dreams? The truth is, they failed so many times, but they had big dreams. They simply didn't allow their failures to stop them from achieving those dreams. If you want to succeed in your side hustles or as an entrepreneur, then look at successful entrepreneurs for inspiration.